Virat Kohli, a name synonymous with passion, aggression, and extraordinary talent. Virat Kohli is not just a cricketer, he is a phenomenon that has taken the world by storm. His journey is one of relentless pursuit of excellence, marked by a fierce determination to be the best. This is the story of a boy from Delhi who dared to dream and in the process, redefined batting standards in the modern era. From his early days playing in the streets of Delhi to becoming the captain of the Indian cricket team, Kohli's rise has been nothing short of meteoric. Kohli's journey, from the bylanes of Delhi to packed stadiums worldwide, is an inspiration to aspiring cricketers and a testament to the power of dedication, hard work, and an unwavering belief in oneself. His story is a beacon of hope for many young athletes who dream of making it big. Kohli's impact on the game transcends mere statistics, though his numbers paint a picture of unparalleled dominance. With numerous records to his name, he has set benchmarks that future generations will strive to surpass. His aggressive batting style, coupled with an insatiable hunger for runs, has captivated audiences and instilled fear in the hearts of bowlers worldwide. Kohli's ability to chase down targets and his consistency in scoring have made him a match winner on countless occasions. But beyond the runs and records lies a leader, an icon, and a role model who has left an indelible mark on the sport. As captain, he has led the Indian team to numerous victories, instilling a sense of belief and confidence in his teammates. This essay delves into the life and career of Virat Kohli, exploring the key milestones, the challenges he overcame, and the legacy he continues to build. From his early struggles to his current status as a cricketing legend, Kohli's story is one of resilience, passion, and unwavering commitment to the game. Virat Kohli's tryst with cricket began in the narrow lanes of Uttam Nagar, West Delhi. Born on November 5, 1988, Kohli's initiation into the sport was no different from countless other Indian children. The game ran through his veins from a young age. He would spend hours honing his skills, his dedication evident to anyone who saw him play. Recognizing his son's prodigious talent, Kohli's father enrolled him in the West Delhi Cricket Academy when he was just 9. Under the tutelage of coach Rajkumar Sharma, Kohli's natural talent was nurtured and refined. Sharma played a pivotal role in shaping the young cricketer, instilling in him the importance of discipline, hard work, and a strong work ethic. Even at a young age, Kohli displayed an exceptional ability to pick up the nuances of the game. He quickly rose through the ranks, his performances catching the eye of selectors and establishing him as a future star. Kohli's performances in age group cricket were nothing short of phenomenal. He captained the Delhi Under-15 team to victory in the Pali Umragar Trophy, and soon made his List A debut for Delhi in 2006 at the age of 18. His first-class debut followed shortly after. He continued his impressive form, consistently piling on the runs and showcasing a maturity that belied his young age. In 2008, Kohli's consistent performances were rewarded with a place in the Indian team for the ODI series against Sri Lanka. His debut was a testament to his temperament. Walking in at a difficult situation, he steadied the ship and announced his arrival on the international stage with a composed half-century. He quickly cemented his spot in the ODI team, his aggressive batting style and ability to chase down targets making him a perfect fit for the limited overs format. Kohli's Test debut came in 2011 against the West Indies. It was a momentous occasion, marking the beginning of a journey that would see him rise to the pinnacle of cricketing excellence. From the very start, Kohli's passion and dedication to the game were evident, setting the stage for what was to come. While his initial foray into the longest format was a learning curve, he quickly established himself as a force to be reckoned with. His early days were filled with rigorous training sessions and a relentless pursuit of perfection. Kohli's determination to succeed was unmatched, and it wasn't long before he began to make his mark. His maiden Test century, a magnificent 116 against Australia in Adelaide, showcased his class and temperament. This innings was a testament to his ability to perform under pressure and his knack for rising to the occasion. It was a defining moment that signaled the arrival of a new cricketing superstar. This marked the beginning of Kohli's reign as one of the most dominant batsmen in the world. His aggressive style and impeccable technique made him a nightmare for bowlers. Kohli's ability to adapt to different conditions and formats set him apart from his peers. Over the next decade, Kohli shattered records and etched his name into the annals of cricketing history. His journey was filled with historic moments and record-breaking feats that left an indelible mark on the sport. Kohli's relentless pursuit of excellence saw him achieve milestones that many could only dream of. He amassed over 8,000 runs in both Tests and ODIs, averaging over 50 in both formats. This remarkable consistency was a testament to his skill and dedication. Kohli's ability to score runs across all formats made him one of the most versatile batsmen in the history of the game. His hunger for runs was insatiable, his consistency unmatched. Kohli's focus and determination were evident every time he stepped onto the field. His ability to stay calm under pressure and deliver when it mattered most made him a true champion. He scored centuries at will, his elegant stroke play a treat for the eyes. Kohli's batting was a perfect blend of aggression and finesse, making him a joy to watch. His ability to dominate bowlers with ease was a hallmark of his batting prowess. He embraced challenges head-on, relishing pressure situations and delivering when it mattered most. Kohli's mental toughness and resilience were key factors in his success. His ability to thrive in high-pressure situations made him a match winner for his team. His record-breaking spree included the fastest to 10,000 ODI runs, a milestone that highlighted his incredible consistency and skill. Kohli's ability to score runs at a rapid pace set him apart from his contemporaries. The most double centuries by an Indian captain, a record that underscored his dominance in the longest format of the game. Kohli's ability to play long innings and score big runs was a testament to his stamina and concentration, and the highest rating points, 937, by an Indian batsman in the ICC Test rankings. This achievement highlighted his consistency and excellence at the highest level. Kohli's record-breaking reign has left an indelible mark on the world of cricket, inspiring future generations to strive for greatness. Section 5: Trials and Tribulations, Navigating the Rough Patches. Kohli's journey, like that of any athlete, was not without its share of challenges. He faced setbacks, endured lean patches, and battled through periods of self-doubt. The 2014 England Tour, where he struggled against the moving ball, was a significant test of his character. However, true champions are defined not by their failures, but by their ability to rise above them. Kohli used the disappointments as fuel to improve, returning stronger and more determined. He worked tirelessly on his technique, seeking guidance from coaches and mentors to address his weaknesses. His response to adversity showcased his mental fortitude and unwavering commitment to the game. He emerged from these tough phases as a more complete batsman, his resolve strengthened, his hunger for runs undiminished. Section 6: Transformation and Maturity, Kohli's Evolution. Throughout his career, Kohli has undergone a remarkable transformation, both as a cricketer and as an individual. From the brash, aggressive youngster who burst onto the scene, he matured into a more composed and responsible leader. His captaincy stint, which began in 2013, played a significant role in his evolution. As captain, Kohli led by example, setting high standards for himself and his team. He instilled a winning mentality in the Indian team, inspiring them to achieve unprecedented success. His leadership extended beyond tactics and strategies. He fostered a culture of camaraderie and unity within the team. Off the field, Kohli became a global icon, endorsing brands and advocating for causes close to his heart. He used his platform to promote fitness, healthy living, and animal welfare, inspiring millions to follow his lead. Section 7: Captaincy Chronicles, Leading from the Front. Virat Kohli's captaincy tenure was marked by a relentless pursuit of excellence and a desire to establish India as the dominant force in world cricket. His leadership style was a blend of intense passion and strategic brilliance, which inspired his teammates to push their limits and strive for greatness. Under his leadership, India achieved historic Test series victories in Australia and scaled the summit of the ICC Test rankings. These victories were not just wins on the scoreboard but milestones that showcased India's growing prowess in the cricketing world. He led India with passion and aggression, instilling a fighting spirit that made them a formidable opponent in all formats of the game. His energy on the field was infectious, and it often lifted the team's morale during challenging situations. Kohli's captaincy was characterized by his tactical acumen and his ability to get the best out of his players. He was known for his meticulous planning and his knack for making crucial decisions under pressure, which often turned the tide in India's favor. He backed his instincts, made bold decisions, and never shied away from taking risks. Whether it was a daring field placement or a strategic bowling change, Kohli's decisions were always aimed at putting the opposition on the back foot. His aggressive field placements and his never-say-die attitude rubbed off on his teammates, creating a team culture that embraced challenges head-on. This culture of resilience and determination became a hallmark of the Indian cricket team under his leadership. While his tenure as captain may not have yielded an ICC trophy, his impact on Indian cricket is undeniable. He transformed the team into a unit that believed in itself and played with a fearless attitude, regardless of the opposition or the conditions. He redefined the way India played the game, instilling a brand of fearless cricket that earned them admiration and respect worldwide. Kohli's legacy as a captain will be remembered for his unwavering commitment to excellence and his ability to inspire a generation of cricketers to dream big and play bold. Section 8. Beyond the boundary. Kohli's impact off the field. Virat Kohli's influence extends far beyond the cricket field. He is a global icon, a youth icon, and a role model for millions around the world. His commitment to fitness and healthy living has inspired a generation to embrace a more active lifestyle. He has used his platform to raise awareness about social issues and to advocate for causes close to his heart. Kohli's philanthropic work, particularly in the areas of education and child welfare, reflects his compassionate side. He has supported numerous charitable organizations and initiatives, using his influence to make a positive difference in the lives of others. His foundation, Virat Kohli Foundation, works towards empowering underprivileged children and providing them with access to education and healthcare. Section 9. A legacy in the making. Kohli's place in cricket history. Virat Kohli's legacy in the world of cricket is already secure. He will be remembered as one of the greatest batsmen to ever grace the game, his name mentioned in the same breath as Sachin Tendulkar, Brian Lara, and Sir Don Bradman. His impact transcends mere numbers, though his statistics paint a picture of unparalleled dominance. Kohli's aggressive batting style, coupled with his insatiable hunger for runs, has revolutionized batting in the modern era. He has redefined what it means to be a run chaser, his ability to chase down seemingly impossible targets, a testament to his mental fortitude and unwavering belief. But beyond the runs and records, Kohli will be remembered for his passion, his dedication, and his unwavering commitment to the game. He has inspired a generation of cricketers and fans alike, leaving an indelible mark on the sport he loved. Annals of cricketing history.